Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to insert PDF file in Word, Microsoft Word, then this video is for you. So first you have to open the Word and you can type anything if you want. So now you have to place your cursor at the exact point where you want to insert the PDF. Now simply click on this insert button here, then go to object, simply click on drop down and simply click on the object, or you can text from file. You can choose the PDF file from here. For example, I'm going to choose a PDF file. So here you can find different types of PDF file that you can actually add. So I'm going to add that. So okay, so here you can see Word file has added. This is not so let me show you. We are going to add another one from here. You can go with that, or you can create from file. Simply you have to browse. Now I'm going to browse for a PDF file. So let me show you. So here is a PDF format. So this is actually a CV where you can find it is loading here, or otherwise you need to wait until it loads, or also you can simply click on object and you can simply go to create from file. Again, you can download anything. So this is actually a CV format. This is actually there is actually images, so make sure that you have avoid the images. Now simply click on OK, and that's how you can simply insert the PDF file in your this Word file. So that's pretty much cool. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.